Now for the latest on COVID-19, a new strain could be making its way through the United States as we speak. On Friday, the World Health Organization, the WHO, designated the new Omicron strain as a variant of concern. Meanwhile, in our community, advocates are encouraging vaccination in creative ways. One of those events taking place at St. Michael's earlier today. Eriquetta Cost is live for us with this story now. Eriquetta.
Good evening, Jack. Organizers tell me this is a post-Thanksgiving celebration paired with the opportunity to get boosted or your very first dose of the COVID vaccine. Organizers say this new variant is concerning, especially as it is unknown. There is a lot unknown, but they hope events like this will make a difference. The arrival of a new variant is concerning for officials. Governor Kathy Hochul announced on Friday a disaster emergency executive order as a response, limiting non-essential and non-urgent procedures in hospitals or healthcare systems with limited capacity. In a recent interview, Dr. Anthony Fauci says it will likely take a few weeks to determine if Omicron is resistant to vaccines.
We don't know a lot about this virus, so we want to prepare as best as we can.
Over at St. Michael's Church on North Clinton today, a holiday party combined with the opportunity to get vaccinated or boosted. Organizer Louis Lespier says the church is an ideal place to do this kind of outreach.
In this area, it's a lot of poverty. It's a lot of drug use, and it's a lot of people that are homeless and things like that. So we prepare a dinner just for them. We are also trying to make sure that people get vaccinated. That's our church, and that has been our church since I came from Puerto Rico 40 years ago.
Rudy Rivera, parishioner and organizer, agrees and says this is his way of taking care of the neighborhood.
Part of the role of being an advocate is that you're constantly vigilant about what is the condition of people.
Now, if you remember any of our coverage from a year ago, this church on North Clinton was actually in danger of closing for several months due to lower attendance and financial difficulties. We're glad to report it's still going strong, and Rudy Rivera says events like today are a perfect example of those community-based outreach events that help reach youth, help reach people struggling out in the neighborhood, and he wants to continue those as in the near future as well. In Rochester, Eriquetta Cost, News 8.
Eriquetta, thank you.